Imagine a computer that fits in the palm of your hand, but can crush a high-end workstation. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what Apple might be about to do with the new M5 Mac Mini. And if the leaks are true, this isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete market reset. For years, people believed one thing: a budget Mac means compromise. Less power, fewer features, slower performance. But Apple just flipped that idea upside down. They didn't just update the Mac Mini, they turned it into what insiders are calling the Mac Studio Killer. The reason? It all starts with the new Apple M5 chip. Built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, this isn't just about speed, it's about efficiency and intelligence. And here's where things get crazy. For the first time, Apple is pushing AI processing beyond the neural engine and directly into the GPU. That means AI workloads are no longer limited, they're distributed across the entire graphics pipeline. The result? Up to a 3.5x boost in AI performance. So if you're editing 8K video, training models, or working with massive datasets, this tiny machine could save you hours. Even eliminate the need for cloud computing entirely. Now let's talk design. On the outside, it still looks like the same compact aluminum box. But inside? Completely different story. Leaks suggest a new thermal system, pulling air from the bottom and pushing heat upward. Why? Because the M5 runs faster and hotter than anything before it. To handle that, Apple may be using 3D stacked chip architecture, separating CPU and GPU layers for better cooling. The result? Sustained peak performance, with almost zero noise. No loud fans, no thermal throttling, just consistent power. Now even the base model sounds impressive. A 10-core CPU, faster multitasking, and smoother performance across the board. But the real disruption happens with the higher-end versions. Reports suggest the M5 Pro and Max variants could push up to 400 GB per second of memory bandwidth. That's workstation-level performance, in a device that fits under your monitor. And connectivity? That's getting a major upgrade too. With Thunderbolt 5, you're looking at speeds up to 120 gigabits per second. You could run multiple high-resolution displays, ultra-fast storage, and Pro accessories, all from this tiny machine. So now the big question is, what happens to the Mac Studio? Because if the Mac Mini gets this powerful, the Studio might need to evolve into something entirely new just to stay relevant. And here's the most shocking part. Price. Leaks suggest Apple could keep the starting price around $599. If that holds true, this becomes one of the most important computers Apple has ever made. Because now, you're not choosing between affordable and powerful. You're getting both. And that changes everything. Students get workstation-level power on day one. Creators can scale without spending thousands. And even professionals might start replacing massive desktop towers with this. This isn't just a technical upgrade. It's a shift in how computers are defined. The Mac Mini was once the hidden Mac. Now, it might become the default Mac for everyone. Small, silent, and unbelievably powerful. If these leaks are real, 2026 is about to get very interesting.